Hi everyone, I'm Adam from How To. Let's start. We will remove the sky completely from the background. First of all, we will open Photoshop. I'm using Photoshop CC 2020 and take the picture and drag it. Okay, we will remove the sky completely from our background by using blend options from blend if, and first of all we'll remove the lock. And let's start by the easiest way to remove the sky from our background. First of all, we will double click on our layer to open blend options. From blend options we will go to blend if. In blend if we got several options: gray, red, green and blue. So we will go with blue because we are working with the sky. So we will reduce the value of blue by holding the cursor and reduce the value of blue till it is completely vanished. Okay, great. To make it more clear, we will hold Alt for Windows and Option for Mac and make it more clear. Okay, that's great. Okay, we got a problem here that we just reduce the opacity of our background, not removing it. As you can see, we just still have our background here. So to remove the background, we will right click on our layer and choose convert to smart object. Now we got our background completely removed. Thank you for watching and see you in another video. Bye bye.